Open to page 36 of the beginning Drawing Atelier. Today we're looking for shapes and natural forms. A pentagon can be seen in a flower and sometimes a square. Some fruit, such as a strawberry, forms a triangle. When we separate a familiar form from its name, it becomes an abstract shape. An insect can be drawn more easily, for example, when first seen as a triangle. Draw directly on the page in your book or place a sheet of tracing paper on top. To find the shape, mark the tips of the flower petals. Next, draw from point to point, connecting the dots with lines to form an irregular, upside-down pentagon. Notice that the green leaves alternating between the petals form another pentagonal shape. We see pentagons in life, in the seed pattern when you cut an apple horizontally, or in a squash blossom, or in cut okra. Next, let's find the square in this flower. Mark the top of each petal with the point of your pencil. Then connect the dots to make a diamond or square. Have fun with this light-hearted project and practice seeing shapes in other places as you walk outside or through the produce section of your grocery store. Next, find the point on the strawberry and connect them to make a triangle. Try doing the right-hand side of the page for yourself to discover the world of repeating pattern that can be found in objects both small and large right outside your door.